Good afternoon. I'm here on behalf of Regulation Matters talking to Shea Aina. Hi Shea.
Hi.
You are chair of the British Nigeria Law Forum.
Yes.
Could you tell us a little bit about the history of the forum and what its main objectives are?
Yes, the British Nigeria Law Forum was set up in 2001. So we've had a number of presidents, including the first Nigerian QC, Oba Unzebe, who is one of the founders. I'm the first female chair of British Nigeria Law Forum, and then we've had Babs, who I think you know. And we've been set up as a bilateral organisation for British and Nigerian lawyers, law professionals. So we have paralegal students, qualified barristers, solicitors, SILEX members as well. And it's for professional development of lawyers, people who are interested in things going on in Nigeria, things in the UK. We have conferences, events. It's a real vibrant network, all-inclusive.
And you just mentioned about being the first female president of the BNLF, and I think you recently launched the Women's Network. Could you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, we decided that we'd never had anything for International Women's Day, and it would be a really good time to launch the Women's Network. So we had that on the 9th of March, and a very good thing about that one is we had our very own President Millicent Grant as one of our speakers. Other speakers included Sue Miller, Edna Desario Martins, a psychologist. We had Rowena, who is she's OBE, and she is the a senior prosecutor at the CPS. We had a CEO at a Nigerian bank, Twain Sunny. And it was really, really a good event. It was talking about inspirational women, and we were talking about how they've overcome some of the challenges within the legal profession. So everybody was in the legal profession apart from Edna, who's a psychologist.
Okay,
so,
that sounds
really
like
good. Yeah, and it was hosted by Stevenson Harwood, and Sue Miller is one of the senior partners there. Well attended, really inspirational, and from that we're already working on what we're going to do for next year, because people were so inspired by that, and next year being 100 years of women in the legal profession, we've already started planning a few things around that.
Great. Yeah. So thinking about how to get involved then, you said it's really open to all barristers, solicitors, chartered legal execs, SILEX members. How would they get involved and how would they join you? What's the process?
The process is simply by, you can go on our website, all the W's at bnlf.org.uk, and you can sign up online. There's all the membership categories there. Ordinary membership is £15, £30, and student membership is £15. And you just sign up, and we welcome all members who are interested in joining us for our events and activities. This year we've got a number of activities coming up. We've got an event, most of our events are in London, but we've got an event in Birmingham at the SRA coming up on the 25th of May. We've got our elections coming up on the 5th of June, with a few vacant places, so some SILEX members might be interested in joining us on the committee. We've got a couple of vacant places, and we've got special interest events like the Family Law Network. That's coming up later in the year. We've got Business Law Network. So quite a few specialist opportunities for people who are interested in different areas of the law. We do cater for that, and we welcome more members, especially SILEX members.
Okay, great. Well, we've got some information about that on our Regulation Matters website. Can you just finally touch upon the consumer? So does BNLF either directly or indirectly do any work with the consumer of legal services or providers? to consumers of services?
So we do work in the community. We've done quite a few events where we go out to the community, provide advice sessions. We've done that in the past. A lot of our events, they're not just for the legal profession. We do have people who are interested in coming to our events, especially like the family law, criminal law networks. We provide events that are interested, and then we also work with the Nigerian High Commission. If they have referrals, they can phone us up and let us know that there are a couple of cases concerning people in the community. At the International Women's Day event, we also raised funds for a charity in Nigeria that helps people affected by rape and sexual assault. And we're doing a legal walk, London Legal Walk, and we are raising funds like everybody else for the law centres, but we're also raising funds for Africans Unite Against Child Abuse. So we do, things like that, helping out for some of the events and using that as an opportunity to give back.
Good, well that's fantastic. Well, thank you very much for talking to us.
Thank you.
And we hope to chat to you again sometime.
Yes,
Okay,
thank you very much.
Thank you.